Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2018 Audi Q3 Premium, and we're doing the front brake pads and rotors. We're actually going to replace the rotors only, but you got to take off the brake pads as well before you get to the rotor. So I'm going to show you how we do that. And these pads are brand new, but a mechanic already replaced them. And he didn't recommend rotors. Need to be turned or replaced. So I don't turn them, we're going to replace them. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
All right, we got the wheel turned. So we got a ABS sensor. It look like it's broken. So that's probably why her ABS light is on. Her brake light is on. So we want to get back here, pop off these caps. There's two of them. These are 7mm hex bolts there. Get both of those out. Alright, then you want to take these clips off. Just use a flat head and just pop them off. Alright, once you get the clip off, alright, now we can pull this caliper off. Get a pry bar. Alright, so we got two bolts, 21mm, holding the bracket on. Alright, we got this here, T30. I'm gonna break that free. And then we can pull the rotor off. Had to tap it with my hammer. See how that's all grooved up. And that's what it's supposed to look like. See, they worn. That's a nice lip right there. Want to make sure you clean it off with some brake cleaner. Get a rag. Get that film off. If you don't, it will burn when you hit the brakes, and you'll smell this crazy smell. So, clean the surface off. All right, we got that on, tightened up. Alright, got it sprayed down. Go ahead, put the caliper back on, put the brakes on. So what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna rub them together just to interrupt those little grooves in there. Try to get them smoother. And something else that I realized, you see how dry the back of these pads are? Yeah, they never had grease. Always put the grease behind these pads. They're gonna squeak and squeal. Now we ready to go back in. Still got a little grooves in there, but we're going in. All right, the driver's side, we good. Alright, man, I hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull-Up King. Alright, so we back in there like swimwear. And that's it, so we're going to have to come back to that. I'm going to zip tie that up so it won't be in the way.